Day 2 at the World Speed Shooting Championship. Carlos with a K coming your way, this time with CK also. So headed down to drop off some goods, and then I'm headed to showdown, squad 72, to get started here in about 30 minutes.
Are you ready? Stand by.
Definitely had a bit of nervous jitters starting out day 2.
Are you ready? Stand by.
So decided to switch sides early because the left side definitely wasn't working for me. Let's see how the right side does.
Are you ready? Stand by. 182. 182. Are you ready? Stand by. 179. 79, final string. Are you ready? Stand by.
The change in size definitely made a little bit of a difference. Was able to cut down that time, and I consider saving that stage.
Are you ready? Stand by. All right. 290.
Once again, just trying to go too fast. Got ahead of myself.
Are you ready? Stand by. 169. 169. Are you ready? Stand by. 236. 236.
I decided to slow it down just a little bit more.
176.
Make sure I got those hits and the times I needed to.
187.
Clear. That's bad.
Have a good day, sir. 768, not too bad. I'll take it, but definitely could have done better.
You're welcome.
Carlos with a K coming your way, this time from Outer Limits at the World Speed Shooting Championship. Thanks to our sponsors, Hunter Gold. People are down there painting it up. Up next is Bob, and I'm on deck.
Just so that we're not, I guess it's Carlos.
Are you ready? Stand by.
So on that one, I just noticed I shot plate number 4 first, and then shot 3 stop. And if you'll notice on the rest of them, I changed the order back to 3-4 stop.
Are you ready? Stand by. 440. 440. Are you ready? Stand by.
That one to me was a lot smoother. That's about the smoothest I've seen it, even though I had a miss in the left box. And I appreciate this stage because they consistently got faster as I shot the stage, which is how I think it should work.
Stand by. 372. 372.
Just finished shooting Outer Limits. Really happy with the stage today. It ended up being like a 12.5 seconds, so longer than I'd like, but much better than yesterday's 15, so I will take it. I've talked to a couple people. As they said, I'm riding the line of a successful match, but really having a blast today. Like some awesome people in my squad. Bye, Kurt.
Are you ready? Stand by. 315. 315. Are you ready? Stand by. 319.
So right here, I told myself to slow down, and
Stand by.
the main reason is get on the first target and then make your transition smoothly.
237.
And it came out exactly the time I'd be looking for.
Are you ready?
And
Stand by.
consistent.
237. 237, final swing. Fifth and final. Are you ready? Stand by. 233.
So you'll hear I'll run back and I'll talk to my son a bit because we had just had a conversation about slowing down to go faster.
Range is clear.
And this is the point where
Thank you, sir.
my match really, to
Thank
me,
you, sir.
began to change.
Did you see the difference when I switched? So I shot the first two I tried. I just forgot and I went fast. And then the second time I just stopped and it was just smooth. Or the last three, it was just smoother through it. Just run through it, run through it, run through it. So you came to me, you channeled, hey dude.
I did. I came up.
I saw that.
I heard a certain clink pattern. And I was like, I knew that.
Yeah, it really helped. Just finished shooting the speed option. About a 10.5, so well slower than I could to. First two runs were well in the threes, but I was able to slow down my get on the first target and actually speed up without missing. I'll get a selfie with you, man.
Are you ready? Stand by. 281. Got it.
Would you shoot
So there is a point where I could go too slow.
What'd you shoot?
Stand by.
Rim power open and rim power rifle open.
Which was the first run in this stage.
Cheap ammo, you know.
But then I started listening to my son and the conversation going on behind me and
Stand by.
got distracted.
261. Got it.
A buddy of yours.
It's my dad.
Are you
Come
ready?
out to support him. I don't really
Stand
shoot.
by. 442.
Year and a half, 2 years ago. And he was enjoying it.
Took a breath and getting ready for that final string.
Ready? Stand by.
That was how I wanted to do it.
You're finished.
So just finished shooting the Pendulum. This one was a little slower. I had a few misses and again I tried to push too hard versus dots on the target, transition, dot on target, transition. Just make sure you stop and hit. 5 shots, 5 hits, and you'll get your best times. You heard it here on Texas Steel Challenge. Mind in the box.
So I really took that to heart. One shot, one target, and that changed the rest of the match for me. So let's watch Roundabout, because I didn't stop making mistakes, but I'd hit the times I wanted to hit.
Are you ready? Stand by. 171. 171.
Oh, there's a bullet in here.
Are you ready? Stand by. 178. Are you ready? Stand by. 174. 174. Are you ready? Stand by. 168. 168. Final string.
So right here, last string, I'm gonna turn it up. I'm gonna go for it.
Stand by. 748. 748. You're finished unload your flare. Here, clear hammer down and flag in back. Try to step it up, didn't you?
You were very consistent with the rest, so.
Yeah.
All right.
And yes, I did try to step it up because I already had a good time and forgot about the rest of it.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks, man.
Getting ambitious. You trying to shoot ghost bullets.
Right?
We're already shot. Good job, man.
Thank you, thank you.
That was a good stage.
That was a pretty good stage.
That was definitely Grandmaster.
Oh, yes. So I'm sure you watched the video, but just finished shooting Roundabout and had a good time, but forgot to change magazines. I mean, I never forget to change magazines, but today I did. So that was a new thing that's happened to me. So I gotta remember to take a breath between stages, even when things are going really well. Thank you, man.
So again, on Accelerator, I'm shooting this 1, 2, 4, 3 stop.
Okay, we're going to resume, so. Are you ready? Stand by. 201.
201.
Are you ready? Stand by. 216.
216.
Are you ready? Stand by. 205.
205.
Are you ready? Stand by. 209.
I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but man, the grouping on the first plate, all 5 shots pretty much hit the same spot. Like I lifted to the same spot every time.
191.
Good run.
If you're finished, range is clear.
Thank you. Is that 806? Yeah. All right. I will take that. Thank you.
That was very nice.
It was. You did awesome.
Good run.
Machine.
Thank you, sir. I felt like it, that one.
I was seeing. I was like, what did you do? You kept trying to touch the 1 minute, the 1 second.
I did. And I could have gone faster, but I did exactly what you said. I came up slow and just went through it. Don't stop on each one. Don't push it.
And as I grew on that mindset of shooting the targets one at a time, transitioning, it just kept working. And the GMs kept coming once I adopted that mindset.
Are you ready? Stand by. 5-3. 5-3. Are you ready? Stand by. 284. 284. Ready? Stand by. 5. Follow strike. Are you ready? Bye. 7-1. You're finished, unloaded, show clear. It's clear. Hammer down. Flag.
So just finished shooting 5 to go at the World Speed Shooting Championship. That was the last stage. I haven't looked at my times yet, but overall, really happy with how it went. Hey,
That's
here
what
with
they say.
Daniel Mathias, 13-time Grandmaster.
That's it.
Thanks, man. Here at the World Speed Shooting Championship, got a chance to catch up with Kid Nagata himself.
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right, no problem.
A couple of highlights there at the end of meeting some great people at the World Speed Shooting Championship. So for PCC, had a total time of 73.28, which is my best time yet ever at an 8-stage match. And that netted a 95.52%, which was good enough for a GM time for the whole match at the World Speed Shooting Championship. Now, I'll seriously equate a lot of the success to my son telling me that the best people in the world simply don't try to go fast. get the dot on the target and shoot the targets one at a time and they don't miss. That's the key factor to getting the GM times was don't miss. And as I adopted that approach at the end of this stage and all day for day 3, I had some really, really great improvements. And so if you're following along, stay tuned for day 3. But now let's analyze the scores. This is my best time ever with PCC and my first ever GM finish in a match. So really happy with the times. My goal was to be in the top 20 and I finished top 22 in the world out of 120 shooters overall for PCCO. Even though I didn't make the top 20 list, I was pretty close. And with a couple modifications, if I'd have had the mindset going from the onset of the match of get on target, shoot each target, I believe I could have pulled off that top 20 finish with PCC as well because the gun functioned flawlessly. Happy with the JP-5 rifle, and I'll do more about that particular addition to my shooting repertoire soon. Hope you enjoyed the video and stay tuned for day 3 at the World Speed Shooting Championship coming up next.